most basic sense, MRP is a production planning and inventory control system used to manage manufacturing processes. Many of these systems are used so that a business will always have enough materials for the production or manufacturing process. The management of time and resources is a crucial part of this process. You cannot successfully fulfill one without the other. MRP does many things, but at the heart of what it does is to ensure that three objectives are met. The first objective is to make sure that materials and components are available for production and products are available for shipping and delivery to customers. Next, MRP seeks to ensure that the lowest possible level of inventory is available, and triggers, exceptions, or notifications are generated to replenish needs without stocking out. MRP does this by appropriately scheduling item-level inventory with what needs to be produced. By producing only what is necessary, an organization can lower the inventory on hand and free up resources to invest in other opportunities. Lastly, MRP must make sure that manufacturing activities are planned, delivery schedules are planned, and purchasing activities have a schedule to follow. With these three objectives met, a company can manage and control inventory quite effectively. It can only do this, however, if inventory is planned and managed and controlled effectively. MRP helps accomplish this by helping users know what needs to be ordered, when it needs to be ordered, and how much needs to be ordered. Also, orders are planned, managed, and controlled effectively. MRP assists in accomplishing this by informing users when things are on schedule and providing exception messages, recommendations, or notifications when adjustments need to be made. Finally, MRP assists in managing the capacity of an organization. While MRP does not directly do capacity planning itself, MRP assists in the planning of different resources, as it takes into account the capacity available and consumed. One example of this is when MRP provides a more precise input of planned orders so that capacity planning can occur. This is particularly important when working with planned orders. As you may have guessed, orders change, supply schedules change, manufacturing environments shift, and resources sometimes need to be adjusted. With this in mind, MRP must be able to manage all of these changes. One piece of that puzzle is people. People gather information or take action based on what MRP notifies them of. MRP will not magically make everything on time. Priorities will still shift, forecasts will still need to be adjusted, defects may occur, and a wealth of other things may happen. This is why it is critical for you to know how to monitor and understand your MRP system. We'll discuss more of this and other important ideas in later modules. See you in the next module.